Hello folks, here we're working with Plant-H17. Now, looking at this plant, sorry for the pause. Sometimes when I'm looking at plants, I can't talk and think at the same time. So, if we're looking at this plant, it does look pretty good. It's growing a nice and open, all spayed out. And you see this picture right here. This picture right here is kind of going the wrong way, so I'm going to move it. And I notice there is an aging picture just right here. So if we move this one aside, you can see it's all yellow. So what we're gonna do is come in here, it should be all yellowed out, and see if I can trace it back to the source and remove it. Gentle press, I hear it click off. Okay, there we go. So now I can move this picture in its new place, like so. This one should be up and above, that one underneath. Okay, there we go. So now this one will have a new home, right there. So looking at this here, this is okay. Let it go. This is fine. So overall, this plant is growing well. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I do notice something that needs to be removed. So give me just a moment here. Not sure what that needs to. So here's one of those issues where tracing, because pictures grow every which way. Okay, you can grow this way, this way, this way, spayed out. So I see a stem here where previously I removed the picture, waiting for the stem to turn yellow, and now I'm trying to trace the stem back to its source, and I'm not able to find it. So that's how twisted they can grow. Now, is it a detriment that I leave the stem? No. I mean, as long as you have enough good circulation, fungus is not going to take. It's just because I see it, it's unsightly, in my opinion, and I really, really, really want to remove it. So, pardon me, folks. Let me see if I can see where it goes. Okay, so it leads all the way to that side. Oh, that's a bad one. All right. There we go. Do you see that? Oh, feel much better. Okay, so this is going to be a quick one. Don't need to do much. Now I'm going to do some feeding. I'll feed these these 4 pictures right in front of us. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Top it off. And if we turn this way, I don't really want to feed this one, because remember, the glands are up here, and if it's facing up, what's the point? Maneuver this so it looks nice and pretty. Good orientation. This picture here, I'm going to move it a little bit so that it is not butting against the rim. And there we go. Alright folks, so that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Have a great day.